Hi guys, so I got this free Black Opium perfume jacket, and this is what it looks like inside. So we're gonna put it on my Black Opium. So I got it free from this because we spent 100 worth of products from YSL. So we got 5 freebies and this jacket is one of them, and we'll see where it's gonna fit. I haven't used this three here, still inside the packaging, but I've already opened these ones here, so obviously it won't fit here on the biggest bottle. 150 ml, and the next size is this one. This obviously won't fit in here, and this is 90 ml. And the next one is this neon pink, which is 75 ml, and won't fit as well. And then the next size, these 50 ml bottles. Okay, but let's see this smallest one, 30 ml. Okay, the smallest, of course, won't fit. So obviously my new YSL glitter won't fit in here because this is just 30 ml. So we're gonna try, oh no, the 50 ml won't fit in here as well. Obviously, it's too big. So 30 ml obviously won't fit in here, and the 50 ml and the 75 ml no. So what will fit in here is this 90 ml, and I've only got 190 ml bottle here. So glad I have got a 90 ml. Fits perfectly. And then the zip. Oh, perfect. Oh, so glad I've got one bottle that will fit in here. Lovely. So this is my Eau de Parfum Intense. Oh, love it. This is one of my favorite too. Black Opium, the Intense one. So yeah, so if you have the jacket, this will only fit on the 90 ml bottle. 30, 50, again, 75, and 150 bottle. Okay. So yeah, guys, this is where I put my perfume. If you've seen my previous video, because this is where it's dark, cool, dark place. Yeah, I don't display them. I only display my miniature perfumes. So yeah, it's pretty, guys. Look at that. Lovely.